In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change your profile picture on TikTok. So when you first launch the TikTok app on your phone, it's going to take you to the home page. Now you want to tap on your profile icon, which is the last option there at the bottom right-hand corner. And then that will take you to your profile. Now you'll notice that you have your profile picture, your current profile picture there, and above your username. Now to be able to change that, you can tap on where it says edit profile right over here, and there you'll see the option at the top, change photo or change video. You can have a video as well for your TikTok profile picture or video. So for this instance, I'm going to change my profile photo. So all I need to do is tap on change photo. Now you have a couple of options. You can take a photo, select from your gallery, or view the photo. So for this example, I'm going to select from my gallery. That will load up your gallery on your phone. Then all you need to do is scroll down and select the photo that you want to use. Now I've blurred out all the pictures for privacy reasons, but I'll select this one right over here. Then you'll see a little circle at the top right hand corner. You want to tap on that, and then you want to tap on confirm at the bottom right hand corner. Now you have the option to crop your photo. So I'm just going to select it like that. And then I'm going to tap on save at the bottom right hand corner. It's going to upload. And once it's fully uploaded, you can see it's been changed over there. I can go back, and now I have a different profile photo. So that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.